Then I tore all 6 of them down to 30 inch-pounds, and that's the minimum. Now we're going to install the check valve for the rear squirter. Just drop it in the hole right there. And here's your rear squirter. It had 28s, so I'm going to put 28s back in it. Put a gasket up under the screw. Then there's another gasket that goes between the body and the squirter. Just put it in place. And drop your squirter in. And tighten up the bolt. And it's the same for the front. Drop in your weighted check valve in the front. Place your gasket on the main body. Center it up. Place your gasket on the screw. Set it down in your squirter. This one here is a 28 also. And just ease it in, make sure the gasket stay in place. And tighten up the screw. Alright, now go to the rear metering block. It's all clean, and really the only thing to do to the rear metering block is put the jets, and it had 73s in the back to start off with, and I'm going to put 73s back in the back. Now that the jet's installed, you can just set it to the side. Now grab a rear fuel bowl. And I'm going to clean it. It's pretty clean. Now start putting it together. First thing I'm going to do is install the float. Alright, just slide the float into that groove there, and then use your finger, push that up, and then you put your 2 screws. Now install your new needle and seat, and I put just a little bit of WD-40 on the O-ring here so to slide in easier.